Borjan jutang hawaramaya tumpen karcho mai kangni. Di furu Samsung Sing Ingti akiban Amir Berialong, ru Samsung Sing Ingti akumlin kepangni. Nilip constituency Koilamati Longroom Arongangbong Daigru Malangroy ke Dokojong para haray kachekap jia phan kisum. Kardong adaba biota long penili bilabon kropi non biotang ton pen arjoik tha. Hidipi along Borjan jutang hawara tumpen thang ni phaing kora choksiarni pining plikebra phoang deng Karbi Youth Festival along nong ichepolong duna tumaphan karcho mai ki paman pona biota pherang ananterang pen biota nang pali. Borjan jutang hawara mai phu Juna Singh teron pen kichip hem phu pona mai along mai ki phalam the chunbang Juna Singh tok bi pen siklar dagalam than ponlo. Labang sokar cho mailong aluhiaman pen Borjan VDC chairman Chris Rongphar Rup Singh Kro Singh Timung Lunse Ronghang Harlong Bikathar Mongol Kro pen chenglong pen an ke the ding atum chetong dun. Borjan jutang hawara mai pen karcho pona tumlake Miss KYF 2019 Miss Kajirbon Ronghang pi Lunse Ronghang supi ahem HDP hemai wuthungarong Thongnok beke karalong ki chengsia nong ekilong Harata Kro Jeng Kro supo ahem dilai lapen top 10 CM Timung Dilai hambi ki patholong sarlong terang Arjun Timung lapen Songja Timung atum henlo lapen ki pher ke thagalong nong e chepalong dun abang phi Nali teron pir ahem HDP atuma phan amana peng pen archo ponsi mai misen pen pachun ponlo Karbia Dorbar ki chengsi akong chun bang mate khaya milur Samsung Sing Ingtia kumlin thang in kora choksiarni difu Samsung Sing Ingtia ke ban Amir Birialong pangni si rat anglo paklang pon tanglo
Difu Civil Hospital ke damatowa long ke do Samsung Sing Ingti chikimu Amir Birialong kapangni Karbi Adorbar ke chengsi akon chun bang ru Samsung Sing Ingti akumlin thang in kora choksiarni Karbi Anglo Autonomous Council ACM Tuliram Ronghang Kumlin kidip ape ingpu siru Samsung Sing Ingti kumlin radang no paklang. Alang likhaya melur Samsung Sing Ingti alam la penaka mavan kimo tamsi troksi kebra isiang deng ru Samsung Sing Ingti karliarni barpung tarapung along Karbiang Law Autonomous Council team pen talon damji busi CM Ronghang ningje. Kumlin kapangni amayalong pinang ani em la pen secretary CM Taro pen chenglok deputy secretary Saipu atum chitong dun. Kachini ji aphan ladak chithan me ru Samsung Sing Ingtia kumlin ke soya ahemai lake kumlin hemai deben timung alang lia prang ake bana kumlin ta alang lisi ke soy pusi chithan
Nilip constituency ke parluang kang Koilamati Longroom Hanse Arongang Bong Daigru Malangroy ke Dokojok para haray kachekap jia phan kisung kachitong nanga pothak thang ni phaing kora choksiarni karni salong birta nangli Nilip constituency ang kang Koilamati Longroom Hanse Arong para haray kachikap jia phan kisung kachitong nang ke non het alam kalilo athe Rongangbong Daigru Malangroy ke Dokojok kachilenga phan kisung pen an chak nang rintilo lingkrenga po hura phan pura panong pen chegadolong kimsi cheleng bom sitala swalong hospital kedam school lapen hitikulat kedam ke wanga phan sita lasi cheleng bom lo labang so kisung pen komentu si jogji mapusi kaiki ke matha nang busi ke phove karar tum pen kaningri Namalam so por phan birta mo into poniksina
This is the electronic voting machine, the EVM, which the Election Commission uses for conduct of elections to the state assemblies and the parliament in the country. EVM basically consists of two parts. This is the control unit, the CU, and this is the ballot unit, this is the BU. Now, what happens is, the ballot unit is kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment, so that we have secrecy of vote here in the country. So along with this, along with the EVM, now we have the VVPAT, that is the voter verifiable paper audit trail, which is a new entrant on the election framework. Now basically the ballot unit contains the ballot paper which has the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate. Now in this case, it's a dummy ballot paper which is used only for training and awareness purposes. As you can see, AAA, BBC, and also the dummy symbols are there. Next to the ballot, the candidate's name is a button. Now the easiest part of the EVM is that the voter has to just press the blue button in front of the candidate of his choice and the vote gets recorded. Now this control unit is at the polling station, or these are kept together here just for demonstration purpose, but in the polling station this control unit is kept with the presiding officer, and these two units are kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment, so that whenever the voter casts his vote, he can cast it in absolute secrecy and nobody sees what is happening. Now what happens is, once the machines are set in the polling station, in the beginning we do a mock poll, as you already know, in the presence of the polling agents. So 50 votes are cast in the machine, and after that the votes are counted through the control unit, and also the slips are taken out from the VVPAT and they are tallied, just to make sure and ensure all the participants that the machine is functioning absolutely accurately and there is nothing amiss here. Now how the vote is released, basically the presiding officer, what he does is he just has to press the ballot button here. Now the minute he presses the ballot button, a red light glows on the control unit which shows that the machine is now in readiness. The minute the red light glows here, there is a green light, the ready light, which is there on the ballot unit. This is the ready light. This light shows that now this ballot unit can accept the signal for the particular vote to be cast. Now the voter, what he has to do is, suppose he chooses candidate number 4, he just presses this blue button. The minute he presses this, a red light glows here, and along with it simultaneously we have the slip which gets printed in the VVPAT, and it is visible through this transparent window for 7 seconds, and simultaneously there is this beep sound which says that the vote has been recorded successfully in the control unit, and the slip falls into the ballot slips compartment here, which on the poll day is completely sealed and not accessible to anybody.
Okay.
So this is the process in which a vote is cast.
Yeah.
So basically what the VVPAT does is it allows the voter to verify the vote that he has cast in the favor of the candidate of his choice.
Yeah.
Now I'll take out the slip and show you how the slip looks like. This was the slip which was just printed. So as you can see, it has the name, the serial number and the symbol. So these slips can be counted to verify the electronic result which is stored here, but that can be done under certain circumstances only. So one of those circumstances is that in case somebody, the candidate or his agent, requests a returning officer under section 56T for a recount, the commission has also mandated a mandatory verification of one polling station for every constituency to do a verification of the slip count with the electronic count which is there in the CU. Plus, of course, if somebody goes in the election petition, so on the orders of the Honorable Court, the slips can always be taken out and the count verified with the control unit. So this is basically the architecture of the EVMs and the VVPATs here.
And this entire setup is not possible anywhere, because a lot of time allegations are made that you can get it from anywhere, and this is hacked, this can be hacked and this can be tampered with.
The EVMs which are used by the commission are completely standalone, non-networked, non-tamperable, robust and integrity, machines with integrity and credibility. There are two pillars on which this entire framework stands. One is the technological safeguards which are there in the design and technological features of the CU, BU and the VVPATs. The other is the detailed administrative protocols, security framework and procedural guidelines that we have installed around the EVM ecosystem, which prevents any unauthorized access to these machines by any unauthorized person. So these machines remain under the control and custody of the election officials at all times. So it's impossible to take these machines, do any kind of mischief and bring them back into the EVM ecosystem. That's just not possible.
Right.
Ini siksa kelapa ni lah so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Pipot lo nangina cusir ham tamle ini su.
Ini siksa kelapa ni lah so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok tahun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, lo nalam Claire Beauty Parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma, kona lo lake.
Jifo iti arlo Iron Bridge adum rong supia long ke cengsi sopin so la pensoar lo tu kapamata dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo, ke cengsi sopin so la pensoar lo phat kapamata dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off. Hey hui long ponikti. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongparpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong tapadar ipin pinahumrig mo.
Aturkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 AM to 1 PM. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Aturkimi Society.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang Tharwe alang, Theso alang, Kecho ajam tu, Tharmit aduk, Thelua kreng, Chitro dola, Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dinamo people third beer talong wangtholo. Non hejong khotkutia long Arnavi drops pu langkang sir tang ki juna lang mate packaged drinking water kang siradim kang sir thelapen kidam tagar ni Arnavi drops alang abong ar lupen thermocol chat kilong apothak SYJ lapen KSU tumpen inkirnang ji lapen a license ta ingthanang ji pura thangthani phaing kora truck arni bukojan subdivision angkang prejama dimalong poster ke pabon pon birta pherang ke pen birta nang pali Arnavi drops pukang sir tang ki juna lang kasela madim prabjin pen inkir nang jila pen license itami ingthan nang ji palam pen SYJ pen KSU song atum pen ki hak padu alang li tum pen bokojan subdivision ang kang prek jama dimalong SYJ pen KSU claim bang photum poster ke babona sai ki deng labang solong kang sela lang adim inkir nang jila pen license itami ingthan nang ji palam nang kyang ike non hejong labang so alanga bong arlo long thermocol chat long lok lapen ang litum pen kang seradi malong humri dam pen ke thek dam long ke ter ke air lapen kasaur hektik pusang litum pen pachini birta bang kilapans kang ton poniklo domi thakme korang thu